Academia.
Okay, you are the contractor
of Atran.
Okay, you are the contractor to handle the job.
Yes, how soon? That's Atran.
Okay, how soon is the job?
We are starting the work now. The moment this, we have been waiting for this demolition. Once they will give they clear everything, our machines and equipment are standby waiting.
What's the contract sum?
Yeah,
it's not like this.
It's not to be.
And for how long are you going to complete the job?
As soon as we get it, it will not take us more than 6 months to round up the job.
You're finished?
Yeah?
You're finished?
Then I'm happy.
Okay, thank you very
The dualization has commenced. It starts with demolition and then we start work immediately. The contractor is already on site. It's a 12-month duration.
And what can you say about this exercise?
What?
The demolition exercise, what can you say about it? Your comments generally?
Well, it's something that has been in the works. People have been paid their compensation. They've been given adequate time to evacuate. We gave them the 21 working days that the law requires. And it elapsed on the 17th or 18th. And today is like 23rd, so we've given them enough time.
And your advice, what else can you do to your
Well, as they can see, government means business. We want to beautify Ado. We're not doing it just for doing sake. You know, we have to turn Ado into a modern city. So we just have to do the right thing. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, it's okay for the meantime.
So what do you think government is trying to do?
It's The government is trying to civilize the cities, which is okay. But it's just, we have to endure for the meantime.
What's your advice to people?
My advice for people is to take heart. Anything good, we have to have bad. But we have to endure the bad before we can enjoy the good.
Thank you very much.
My name is Sunday Adumo, SSC to the Governor on Special Duties and Roads.
Okay, what's your feeling about what is happening here today? The demolition?
Well, it's for a new thing, the beginning of a new thing in the Ekiti. I said it yesterday when I was on air, that there is no gain without pay. We may not know the importance of what we are doing now, but in future times, then our people begin to realize that there is no two way to develop than to open up all these places. The moment we dualize this and get the other all those places done, including the access road, then we have good motorable road, then development will come, investors will come, then the society will develop. So the key thing out of all these things that we are all struggling for is good and quality road. If we have it, then we know that wherever you are putting any structure, the security and every other thing will be guaranteed. That is very, very key in whatever we are doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's 4 months. All our projects, all the 30 projects that was awarded last year November, by the special grace of God, before the end of this year we will commission all. I can give you vivid account of what is going on in all the roads. Efon, Ipole, the Kogosi. By August ending, that one will be set. Ijan, Ise, Ijan Iduomoba. By the Special Grace of God, September ending, that one is set.
All by according to specification.
According to specification. According to specification, because that is what we do. We monitor them, money, whatever they are going to do tomorrow, they will submit it today. Then we go through everything. The specification, the thickness, all the tests, the CBR, the Marshall test, every other thing. The source of the bitumen they are using, and even the quality of the stone base. We do the normal test. Now we have an independent laboratory that we normally take materials to in Ibadan. So it's independent. So the road that is coming out there is binding on whoever that is involved.
Okay, thank you very much.
My name is Adumo Sunday, SSA to the Governor of Rose.
Thank you, sir.
Right now, wọ́n ti nà lọ máa fẹ́ ọ̀kan lè fi kéde wọn.
ìyá tàmọ́rọ̀ rẹ wá
Òkété líbẹ̀ ìyá pé òkété líbẹ̀ òkété lí.
Kan wo bí méjì sí sọ́dà bọ̀dé á lè take a shot tó wá fẹ́ pé.
Hola,
Linking this one to the other carriageway down there. It's not, then let's say that after the all the management, pilgrimage and everything, I think that all these projects can be before. Let's say inside 2000.
This administration was described as a do-nothing administration, but it seems you're working. How can you describe the ongoing development?
Well, I'm not sure it's true that anyone ever described this administration as do nothing, and if they did, I guess it's because they don't understand the processes involved in ensuring that you take the people along with you, even if you have a vision and a plan. That's what we have consistently demonstrated. We wanted to ensure that those affected by the changes that are going to occur are not just treated shabbily. We wanted them to be paid adequate compensation for the properties that are bound to be removed for the dualization process. And we wanted to ensure that we did this in accordance with due process. That's what we've done. We've allowed people to complain about issues relating to their compensation. We've allowed others to raise issues concerning the legality or otherwise of what we're doing. But I'm happy that this has happened, and you can see that even the people are overjoyed that at least clearly there's a direction. And the plan that we put in place clearly stated that this is something we will do in year 2012. We didn't say that we were going to finish it in January. We awarded this contract in December 2011, and I am reasonably confident that on or before the end of this year, you would have seen a total change in this area. You know, there can be no gain without pain. If we're expecting gains without pains, then we're living in cloud cuckoo land. I know that this was bound to cause some temporary dislocation, some pains to those who are affected. But that's why we also made appropriate alternatives. We have completed the markets that we're developing in Olokwe area, the Agric area. The enumeration has been done, the allocation has been done. It's for them to move to those areas so that they can take occupation of the properties that are there. So we've made alternative arrangements, and the people should not feel too disappointed. But you know, change is difficult. People are so used to what they are used to, because we are all creatures of habit. And that's what is happening now.